I'm Jake, the CEO and co-founder of Imiloa, and I want to let you in on a little secret. When we started Imiloa Costa Rica, I had never been on a retreat before. Now, many of you probably think that's crazy. How did someone who started arguably one of the top transformational centers in the world 4.5 years ago, how did that person never attend a retreat before starting it? The truth is that we did the work to get here. We didn't just fall into this. We followed the data. When we started Imiloa back in 2018, we made a list of every country in the world. And then we made a list of every retreat center. And then we made a list of every retreat host that ever hosted at any retreat center in any country in the world. It's like a list of 50,000 people. And my assistant reached out and invited people into conversation with us. And I did 13 hours a day of calls, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, finding out what the pain points and the joys were of transformational leaders from all around the world, almost every country in the world. And we mapped what the 2 top pain points were. Do you know what they were? Number 1 was lack of clarity around money. And number 2 was not feeling fully supported when you hosted your retreats. Imiloa was created in response to solving the pain points of thousands of retreat hosts from all around the world, thousands of transformational leaders from all around the world. That's how we created this place. Sure, it's one of the most beautiful environments. It feels more like a national park here than a retreat center. Yes, the food is gourmet, plant-based. Yes, the team is extraordinary and you'll fall in love with them. They feel so familiar, kind of like your family. It's a 3-point system. Clarity. We provide a level of clarity that is unmatched. That leads to serenity. The shoulders relax, the heart opens up. Finally, you start to see possibility again in your business as a host, as a transformational leader or educator. And then from serenity, we move to peaceful prosperity, which is that level of prosperity that comes more easily. You're able to more easily book your retreats. That's our 3-point system that we've created out of the pain points of all of you. Because we don't want you to have to host at places that don't support you, and we don't want you hosting where you're unclear about your numbers, or worse, not profitable at your events. This is why we have 86% renewals. And it started because I didn't have the emotionality around having to make this place successful. For the sake of success, I wanted to be successful so that we could support others. So if you're wanting to be supported in this way, click on the link, book a shared vision, see if it's right. Imiloa's whole process is based on attraction, not promotion, so you'll never feel hustled by us. And if you do choose to sign a contract within a certain amount of time after booking that shared vision, you'll get a free trip to Costa Rica, to a familiarization trip, and meet the other 20 or 30 transformational leaders from around the world that have chosen Imiloa as their home away from home. I hope that I get to see you at Imiloa soon, and thanks for watching.